All right, so let's go to our Kitzur Shulchan Aruch and we continue learning the laws of Tefillin. So we're on Siman 10, CF number 20. Okay, so it says Tefillin should be removed while standing. So so now we're going to remove Tefillin. So while standing, one first remove there is unwind the strap, the straps that were wound around the finger. The 2 or 3 of the wounds, one second, and the 2 or 3 of the 7 revolutions that would wrap around his arm. So commentaries say, and we're going to explain number 4. According to Mishnah Brura, one removes only the 3 revolutions that are around the middle finger, and then removes the shel rosh. So that's actually what we do. So we remove. It's exactly the same way, like when we remove we remove in opposite sequence that might be put in. So you first remove all of these straps extra that you wound around your hand, then from the finger, and then you do shel rosh. Then he removes shel rosh first, and afterwards removes shel yad. Due to the verse in Dvarim 6:8 that states, "And let them be tefillin between your eyes." From the fact that the verse writes the word vechayu, let them, in plural, the sages expounded that the verse to teach that where the tefillin are between your eyes, there shall be 2 tefillin be worn. So when so it's very interesting. So from plural, they say when you have this head tefillin, it should be plural, meaning 2 of them, shel yad and shel rosh, right? There is both shel yad and shel rosh. Okay, so meaning that when you remove shel rosh, so it should be shel yad. Like now we're going to single mode. Therefore, shel yad is put first, and shel rosh is removed first. So basically, in the opposite order that we put it on. In this way, whenever the shel rosh is upon the person, shel yad will also be upon him. So always, right? So okay, if you have shel rosh, it must be you must have shel yad. I mean, unless, as we said, the person has some injury and stuff like that, he cannot put shel yad, so he puts on the shel rosh. The shel rosh should be removed with the left hand, which is his weaker arm. Commentary: thus the left-handed person should remove with the right hand. So like you show it with your left hand because you show that like you don't want to do it, basically. Which is weaker arm, in order to show that it is difficult for him to have it removed. I mean, I have to do it. Of course, it's easy for me to do it with my right hand, with my stronger hand, but I don't want to like disconnect from this mitzvah, but I must, so I do with my left hand. Because in truth, the optimal form of the mitzvah is for tefillin to be worn the entire day. Okay, and it is only because it is difficult to maintain clean body, as we're going to learn about what is clean body means, that one removes them immediately after shacharis prayer. Okay, so basically allowed properly the whole day, but I mean you cannot work with them and stuff like that. But I mean, if somebody can work with the tefillin, but they say he would divert his attention, so it's better to take it off. A person may not remove his tefillin neither before the Sefer Torah nor before the primary Torah teacher, and that's the problem in all of the shuls, and even in this shul that I go to now. So there is one person. So he sits in the first row, not in the second, in the first row. So when they start like Chagba and do like the lifting of the Torah, he takes off tefillin. You understand? Right in front. He's supposed to be a knowledgeable person, so he's not an ignorant person for sure. There is okay, so who is this teacher, right? There is a teacher from whom he has learned most of the Torah knowledge. So Sefer Torah and teacher and Torah teacher, in this sense, it's exactly the same status. The process of taking off the shell rosh usually includes bearing one's head. And it is disrespectful to do this before the Sefer Torah, or the one that Torah teaches. So you see that they have different explanation. The commentary is, it is permitted to remove shell yat, even in these circumstances. In addition, it is permitted to remove the shell rosh if his head is covered by talis. Okay, so it's very interesting. So they say here, even in front of Torah. So somehow I thought that it's not in disrespect to the Torah. In Torah it says wear tefillin, and you actually in front of the Torah you remove it. Okay, so but they say that so basically if the guy have a like little kippah, so he puts tefillin around the kippah, so it would not be a problem according to this. Because he does not bear the head. Okay. In such a case, he should rather go off to the side, exactly, and remove them there. So basically, go to the ladies section, go to the step out, and that's it. It is a custom of scholars to kiss the tefillin at the time when they are donned and at the time of their removal. But I always kiss tefillin. I'm not a scholar, but I always kiss tefillin, and that's a minhag of, I think everybody does it. One should not remove the talis until the tefillin has been removed. So it's very important. So basically, you do it in a reverse order. So and talis, it's like the more garments you have, the more it's a kavod to the tefillin. Okay, so we finish 21.